I didn't realize how confined I felt by the cold until I went for my first proper walk of the year. This is a trail I used to walk or jog nearly every morning, seeing the landscape change throughout the seasons, nodding hello to every bird and creature I met. Yet with the temperatures plunging below freezing this winter, my fingers started to have strong opinions on how far I could stray from the next hot mug of tea, so I spent the winter months merely pacing at the doorstep to my territory. Clearly I need some warmer gloves.
So soft, so soft. Oh my God.
It feels appropriate that as nature is slowly waking up and the migratory birds are returning, I too crawl from my concrete burrow. As I set out to explore my non-human neighborhood, to greet my favorite trees and natural landmarks, it feels like I'm meeting old friends, catching up on how they've been doing. This period of transition is truly the best time to say goodbye to the old and celebrate the return of the new, with dead leaves still clinging onto branches while fresh buds are readying to open.
Starlings, they're back.
The starlings are back, and with their eclectic song comes a lightness and a joy. Everywhere I look are signs of spring's arrival. Finally, the world around me shakes off the past and promises a fresh start. There is so much hope and oh, so much potential. It makes me feel giddy. Everywhere, the whisper of life in the air. Life.
They're so fluffy.
Yes, I join in. Yes.
Is this a trap? It feels like somebody left this here for me. Do you think I can paint a bird on this? I'm sure. I'll take it.